my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow. Baby, please don't let me blow. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
What's going on, fam? Welcome back to another video. Today is gonna be a video that I never thought I would be making. I know I haven't announced it yet on YouTube, but I have announced it on Instagram, and I just told the guys on Instagram today that we're gonna be shooting this video today. So if you guys aren't on Instagram, this is already about to be like a week earlier sneak peek. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you guys go and follow me on Instagram at 4.6Chris. Long story short, man, and the couple videos before, you guys have heard the ticking or the knocking when I was trying to get the car started with the Typhoon manifold, and you know, it went away, but everyone was like, yo, what was that, what was that? Well, I told you guys I was gonna go do the bore scope, and I did, and I found some stuff in the cylinder, and you know, I really did not like what I saw. So I'll show you guys right now what that was. Talk to you guys after you guys watch that.
Is it down?
Oh, shit looks nicked right there.
There it is.
What is it?
I don't know, but there's the bolt right there. The fucking they ignition.
Oh, the bolt did go in there.
My man, you dropped the bolt in there.
Nah, you did, dog.
Please explain to me when I dropped the bolt in there.
Well, the
Where's it at?
it's fucking nicked up. You can see the threads on that.
I don't know, but there's the ignition right there. I can't get the
Look around that
fucking
bitch, see if there's anything else in there. Yeah, the piston's nicked on the side. It's gonna be lodged on the other side.
It's really larger than else. So.
Yeah, that piston head's all fucked up already. Not really, but I mean it's nicked up definitely.
Yeah, that shit is bad on the other side. Damn, that shit is bad, bro.
It's right to the corner.
Uh-huh.
That's just the intention of it though. Unless it's completely fucked off already and it keeps
Burn it up.
But if we'd hit a valve, it could go back out a valve.
Well, it's not missing though. It's not
Yeah,
missing
it's gonna
at
running badass right now.
all. It's running fine.
But it closed the spark plug. That's why.
It could have spit it out.
That's what I mean. It would have spit it out, right? If it smashed
Well, I
it up.
mean, yeah, but if it goes into the valve, and you know,
Oh, look, there it is.
it should bend it. Yeah, it would end.
Depends on how far it holds it open.
God damn it, dude. Like I told him, I said, there's a crack. If there's a crack, you can find if there's a crack of the piston. If there's a crack, and that piston comes apart, it's gonna
Oh,
shit
yeah,
up.
it'll
It'll f his head up too.
Oh, it'll fucking
So I said, just the best thing to do if it's cracked,
Pull it
just
out.
pull it out now before you fucking f up some more shit. Bore it,
Yeah.
put fucking pistons, everything else in there.
I'm getting ready to spray more nitrous in it. So I'm like,
Pretty much like the best it's gonna get.
yeah. So yeah, you guys saw that a bolt actually went in there, man, and I literally do not know how. Before you guys start throwing shade on me, saying like, this is why you don't work on your own car, you know, you dropping bolts in your intake, stuff like that. If I would have dropped the bolt in there myself, I literally would have heard it. I'm not blaming it on Mark either. I'm not blaming it on him. But you know, accidents do happen. I had napkins in there. Maybe a bolt was inside the napkin and I put it in there, so when I took it out, it fell in there. I literally do not know, man. So it's not like I did it on purpose. You know, stuff happens. As you guys can hear in the video, I was laughing. So there's nothing too serious about like to get mad over. You know what I mean? Like the car was not gonna stay 400 horsepower its whole life. You know, I knew that sometime I was gonna upgrade the engine. I was gonna pull the engine out, so if it blows up, I'm fine with that. Going to a 150 shot, I knew that, you know, it's not safe. It's kind of pushing it, so I know that it's gonna blow up sometime, or it might, you know, maybe it would have lived this whole life on 150 shot, who knows. But you know, I'm not mad at it. So this car has gave me so much joy in the past couple of years. So anyways, man, I'm pulling the 150 jets out because I was gonna go schedule the dyno tune. My tuner said he's down as long as it's not smoking or anything. The car is running amazing right now. It hasn't closed the plug again. I decided to pull the 150 jets out. The 150 jets are in it right now. You guys can see the nitrous bottle is filled, ready to go. We're gonna put the 100 jets back in because I'm already tuned for that, as you guys know. Put the 100 jets back in, take the car to Mexico right now, see how it performs. If it lives, which I think it will, this car loves nitrous. It's crazy. This car just eats it like nothing. This car has already been through like 4 bottles of nitrous. So we're gonna put the 100 shot jets in, and I really think it's gonna live. You know, if it doesn't, it doesn't. You know, I'll get a wrecker. We'll source our options from there, man. But you guys are gonna be along for the ride. It's the first time for a lot of things. The first time the clutch has felt nitrous. The first time my boy Rich has felt the nitrous. Are you excited?
Yeah, a little bit. Got nervous.
Yeah, I'm nervous, dude. I was gonna put the radios on, but hopefully these Toyos will still hook. They're a little bit worn already, but you know they should do good. After I spin them a couple times, they should be good. But yeah, man. Without further ado, pull the jets out right now. Throw the 100-shot jets in. It's that easy. Load the bottle up, warm it up because it's a little bit chilly outside. But I mean, it's like 70 degrees. So without further ado, man, we'll go get the install going.
You can see your car.
You guys can see 100-shot. These are the jets right here, and this was the 150-shot. So we're gonna pull the 150-shot out real quick and get it going.
Go get cop your merch.
Oh yeah, go cop your merch. I forgot, bro. First link in the description, and I'm not gonna put it in the comment. First link in the description, man. Go get your fire merch. This is the fuel jet for the 150-shot. We're gonna put it back in this case right here. Shout out Nitrous Express, and I want you guys to know, just in case the car does blow up, Nitrous does not explode cars. People do. That's a fact. You guys have seen how good the car has ran on the 100-shot. It's all in the tuning, man. It's all in, you know, your setup, fueling, spark plugs. It's all in that, man. It's not the Nitrous, man. So you guys have seen how good the car has ran on Nitrous, and I've told you guys the car loves Nitrous. It's been through so many bottles. So yeah, man, it's not the car's fault. So basically, if you guys don't know, this was sent to me by Nitrous Express. It's just the nitrous fueling and the nitrous jetting and then the fuel jetting. You guys want to make sure this is the correct jetting. A lot of times people blow up their engines because they have the bigger nitrous jet in there or bigger fueling jet, or it leans out, or there's too much nitrous flowing. So you guys want to make sure it's the right correct jet. The number is stamped on the jet itself. So just, you know, if you guys do nitrous, you guys will know. Hey, Ryan Lewis or Nitrous Express, if you guys are watching this, please send me out some billet bottle brackets. I hate these damn things. They take forever, man. So if you guys want to support your boy, send me out some bottle brackets. Tell, there's really no miss, man. It sounds amazing. No more leak in the manifold. It all sounds amazing. So I'm actually gonna bring a spark plug socket, and just to make sure if it starts missing, I'll check the plug out there and see if it closed or not. But I think we'll be all right, man. I think the car's gonna take it. It should be pretty entertaining for you guys. Just in case the car does blow up, guys, let's listen to these beautiful cams one more time. Guys, the thing has never been to explode this car. The thing was to see how far we could push the limits with this car. It was never to explode it. I really think the car is gonna eat this 100-shot again, man. It loves it. I just uploaded the Nitrous tune. We'll meet you guys in Mexico. All right, guys. So we're out here in Mexico. Just turned the heater on for the Nitrous. I wanted to make sure it's warmed up. The bottle's pretty cold. We're gonna do a pull going back right now. NA pull. 1, so we can show him what it feels like, NA versus Nitrous. 2, let's see if it spins. If it spins, we'll heat up the tires a little bit. 3, it's a different intake, so I really shouldn't be hitting it with Nitrous because it's not retuned, but my tuner said it's all good. It shouldn't be that much off. And I'm gonna check the air to fuel right now. So we'll do this going back real quick. First gear pull, and then we'll see how it goes. Ready? Ready?
Hitting it. It's been a while.
What do you think?
Oh yeah.
You think it feels fast?
Oh yeah.
It's about to get a lot faster.
Like I know it's been fast. It's always been fast.
Felt good, man. The AFRs were in the 12s and 11s. So no miss, no nothing like that. So I guess we'll open the bottle right now, and then you know there ain't nothing else to do. So we're gonna test it out, see what she does, man. I'll open the bottle real quick, see what it does, see what pressure it's at. Alright, it needs to be heated up a little bit. It's in the yellow, so once it gets to the green, I'll let you guys know. Yo, actually, I'm gonna call my dad real quick. I'm gonna see what he thinks. He didn't say, bro, don't do it, don't do it. We're gonna see what he thinks right now.
What's up, Chris?
Yo, what are you doing? Oh. All right. Well, I'm on a back road right now. I'm gonna hit it with nitrous, see what it does.
You're what?
I said I'm on a back road right now. I'm about to hit it with nitrous and see if it lives.
Oh. Yeah, I can blow the motherfucker up and shut the motherfucker down.
Yeah, make sure it doesn't
rattle.
Yeah, make sure it don't rattle. Alrighty.
Yeah.
Well, I'll let you know. Alright guys, so the bottle pressure is good. Go ahead, show me real quick, Richie. The bottle pressure is good. Yeah. Bottle pressure is good, man. There ain't nothing else left to do but just try this thing out, man. I'm not gonna do no first gear because it's gonna roast the hell out of these R88s. We're gonna do a little second gear pull. See what the car does, man. Oh my god, it's time. It's time, guys. Roll the windows up a little bit.
Yeah, the camera don't fly out.
Check the... Alright guys. Let's go. You ready, Richie?
I guess, bro.
That just took off, bro. It didn't hit that hard, bro. I thought it was gonna hit way harder than that.
I can still feel like
You can feel it come on,
yeah,
man.
like it just went boom. I was like, what the? I do that. It just took off.
Man, I think it's hooked and blew. I lower it down now because the bottle got cold, but yeah, the car ate it like nothing, bro. I got all scared for nothing.
Man.
Damn, it felt slower, man. I think that damn intake is heat
Maybe
soaking.
you just gotta used to it.
Used to it?
Yeah.
Why did it feel fast for you?
Yeah, it's like, dude, it felt way different than in it.
Yeah. All right, guys. Let's go. You ready, Richie?
I guess, bro.
That just took off, bro. Should we do a first gear pull?
Yes. Yes.
All right.
Oh yeah.
First gear pull.
Oh my gosh! Oh man! That hit hard. That one hit hard.
First gear pull.
Oh my gosh! Oh man! That hit hard.
Car's running good, guys. No rattles. No nothing. That's all we're gonna do for today. Oh my god, that's all we're gonna do for today. That's it, baby. The 2-valve lives for another day, man. Oh my god, I cannot wait for this 150 shot. Woo, baby! Texas 2K ain't ready. Oh my god, this thing is literally, it was so hot before. That nitrous cooled it all the way down, man. Oh my god. Running good, man. No rattles, no ticking. She ready, man. She ready for this 150 shot, baby. Man, you guys don't know. Alright guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for today's video. Thank y'all so much. Oh my god. Thank y'all so much, man. Thank y'all for all the continued support, all the love, everything, man. If you guys liked it, please drop a thumbs up. You guys want to support your boy, go cop the merch. First link in description. Thank y'all so much, man. Couple weeks, we're gonna be hitting the dyno, going to that 150 shot. Told you, man, the car loves nitrous. It loves it, man. It's a freaking, it's possessed, man. I don't know what to tell you. So, thank you guys so much. Like I said, man, it's your boy 4.6Chris. We're out, boys. Peace.
I am girl in my dreams. I said I know it. In my dreams, I said I know it. In my dreams, I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow it. Begging, please don't let me blow it. You can't do this, but I know that I can. Girl in my dreams, I said I know.